Welcome to our comparison of Zorin OS and Ubuntu in 2025. Today, we'll see which of these operating systems is best for beginners. First, let's take a look at the user interfaces. Zorin OS features a sleek, modern design, whereas Ubuntu sticks to its classic aesthetic. Next, we'll walk through the installation processes for both. They each have unique steps but are generally user-friendly. When it comes to system requirements, Zorin OS can run on older machines, while Ubuntu is slightly more demanding. Both systems have rich software repositories. Zorin OS uses apt, similar to Ubuntu, making software installation straightforward. Community support is vital for beginners. Both have vibrant communities, but Ubuntu's has been established longer. Performance-wise, Zorin OS generally offers faster speeds on older hardware compared to Ubuntu, especially on resource-constrained devices. Customization is a big part of the Linux experience. Zorin allows deep customization, just like Ubuntu, through themes and extensions. Both systems cater to beginners, but Zorin OS offers a more intuitive experience for those switching from Windows. In conclusion, for absolute beginners, Zorin OS might be the friendliest option for 2025, but both have unique strengths worth considering.